to Investing with Saraan. I'm a go-to channel for dividend investing, growth stocks, trending stocks, and much more. I'm a YouTuber that posts weekly and targets those who are beginner investors, intermediate investors, and much more. To invest in the stock market, I use platforms such as Wealthsimple Trade and Questrade. To invest in the crypto market, I use BlockFi and Exodus to buy and keep my crypto so I can earn interest. I give free money to my subscribers and audiences with the referral links that I leave in the description down below. Remember to leave a like down below and drop a comment on things you want to see on this channel and to be featured on future videos. But most importantly, remember to subscribe and join my journey at Investing with Saraan. If you want to learn more about investing, click the videos down below.